Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete shipping address on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Amazon application on your device. Well, after that, here you can click on profile icon at the bottom. And then you can select your account option here. After that, scroll down and then choose your addresses. Okay, and then here you can remove the address by pressing this option. Okay, and then click yes to approve. Well, that's the tutorial on how to delete shipping address on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.